Hello friends, welcome back to Basket Beautifiers, the ultimate destination for all your basket decoration inspiration. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to bringing you creative and innovative ideas to transform ordinary baskets into stunning decorative pieces that will enhance the beauty of your home or any special occasion. Join our passionate host and basket decorating expert as she shares her expertise, tips, and step-by-step tutorials on how to create unique and eye-catching designing using various materials, colors, and themes. Whether you are a dye enthusiast, a craft lover, or simply looking to add a touch of elegance to your space, Basket Beautifiers is the perfect place for you. Discover a world of endless possibilities as we explore different basket types, including woven, wire, wicker, and more. From rustic farmhouse styles to modern and minimalist designs, our channel covers a wide range of aesthetics to cater to every taste and preference. Each video showcases the entire basket decoration process, from selecting the perfect basket to choosing complementary elements such as ribbons, flowers, greenery, and decorative essence. You will learn expert techniques on arranging, weaving, and securing materials to achieve professional looking results every time. Not only do we focus on home decor, but also provide ideas for special occasions and events such as weddings, baby showers, birthdays, and seasonal celebrations. Our channel is a one-stop resource for creating stunning gift baskets, centerpieces, and party favorites that will impress your guests and make memorable moments. Join our vibrant community of basket enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video.